Hello honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. I have another tutorial for you guys. I'm going to show you how to make these really sweet little embellishments that I created. I added these little embellishments to a very adorable little pouch, and I added some candies in the little pouch. So I want to show you guys how I made the little embellishment that goes in front of the little envelope. And you can kind of like make your own so that you can give some like goodie bags, or you can add these little embellishments to any kind of like Easter little gifts. Okay, so what I have here are these little tiny, they're like super tiny. My hands are like gigantic next to these. These are little tiny envelopes that I got like a very long time ago. I don't even remember where I got these little tiny envelopes. I probably want to say maybe like Hobby Lobby or Michael's, but I really don't recall. I'm pretty sure you can find these either in Michael's or Hobby Lobby, even Joann's. They're not that very hard to find. And if you can't find them, you can always make your own little tiny envelope. All right, so what I did here is I added my little candies inside my little envelope. I got these candies at the Dollar General. These are called Airheads, little mini bars. They're so cute. And what I love about them, that they're Easter like candies. They have like the little bunnies, so it's perfect for a cute little, treat for my coworkers. So let me show you really quickly how I put this together. I gotta do a whole bunch of these, so I try to make it as easy and quick as possible. I need to make about 20 of these little tiny envelopes, so we gotta keep it simple, right? So here's my little candies that I already added inside my little envelope. I have here these that I also am going to do, but I'm only doing one with you guys so that you have an idea. What I use to decorate the envelope are these like tickets, these admission tickets. You can get these anywhere. Walmart sells these, as well as Michael's and maybe like Joann's, Hobby Lobby. You can find these anywhere. So anyway, or you can even create your own. I also have a punch that creates these really fun admission tickets. So you can also try to find like a punch or even like a stamp, or you can create your own. I also have here green, okay? So we're gonna use these to decorate the little envelope. I'm also going to use these really fun carrots that I got at the Dollar Tree. These are carrots, like stickers, felt. So I'm going to add a carrot into the little corner over here of my little pouch. And once I add my carrot into this little corner right here, I want to add my admission ticket right over my carrot, so it looks like it's kind of popping out. All right, so I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue on the back of my admission ticket, and then I'm going to add it to the front of my little envelope, making sure it's kind of straight as possible. All right, and then what I'm going to do is this little embellishment right here, very simple. Get a cupcake liner, really tiny one. Okay, we're going to squish it in the middle. We did this on another video. I think it was like maybe the first or second video of this series. We created these little fun little embellishments. All right, so make a little circle with your cupcake liner, a very tiny one. You don't want it to be too big because you don't want it to be bigger than your ticket. You want it to be smaller so that it can show, right? You want your ticket to show. And what we're going to do is we're going to place this little embellishment right in the little corner. See that? Right in the little corner right there. But before we do that, I added a really fun little sticker to my embellishment. I'm using these right here that I got, I want to say Walmart, but I don't recall, but I believe I got these at Walmart. And these are just little fun, adorable little Easter cute stickers. We're going to use the little chickie And all I'm going to do is just add some hot glue to the back. And I'm going to add it to the front of my little tiny embellishment. And I'm just going to hold that there for a few seconds. And you should get something like that. And then for the Happy Easter that you see right there, I got the Dollar Tree Easter little confettis. They look like this. And this one says Happy Easter. This one has eggs. And this one has like little chickies. I think I also have like another one. Let me see. That has other. I don't know where it is right now. But I know I have another. Oh, here it is. There's a whole bunch of different kinds of these little fun confettis. See, this one has Easter egg, a cute little Easter bunny, and then some flowers, which the flowers are actually pretty cute for another project. But anyway, okay, so I'm going to use the one that has Happy Easter. All right, I'm going to grab one. I'm going to grab, well, actually I have it here, a green one. Okay, so I'm going to grab this green one that says Happy Easter. I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue on the bottom. Okay, very like lightly, very light, not a lot, just like literally just pass it through. And then very quickly we're going to stuff this in the back of our little embellishment. See that? And you're going to get something like that. Super cute, right? All right, so what we're going to do with this embellishment is after we're done, which we already done, we're going to hot glue it right in front of the little pouch. All right. Right here in the middle, well, in the side, wherever you want. You could put it in the middle, you could put it in the top and the bottom. I'm putting it on this side because I kind of like it there, but again, you can do whatever you want, right? There you go. By the way, a little tip for you, because I did wanted to mention this before I forget. If you don't have these little like Happy Easter or any like little signs that says Happy Easter that you maybe want to create, I created one here for you just to show you how easy it is. See, this one says Happy Easter, and I want to show you what I made this out of, okay? So keep your eyes open for these little tags that the Dollar Tree or even like Dollar General, any place that you buy Easter goodies usually have an Easter tag. So this actually is the tag from the Dollar Tree, and that little tag says here Happy Easter. It's the same tag that I made here. All I did was I fuzzy cut it and I just back it into like a nice little piece of white paper, and I made myself a nice little sign, okay? FYI, just in case you guys don't have this, or you're short on supplies, or you want to use some kind of like Happy Easter wording, boom, you can use that. You're welcome. Okay, now we're done. Literally, that's all we are going to do for these little pouches. How cute and how adorable these turned out. Absolutely love them. I mean, they're very simple to make, obviously. You can always change it up if you want. If you have like bunny stickers, you can always use bunny stickers if you want. You can obviously use something different. You don't have to use a carrot. Whatever you have at home, you can use. I just want to show you a little bit of an idea of how to put it together, and the rest is yours to create. All right, my loves, I hope you like these little pouches. They're so cute. I have to make a few more, and I'm going to bring them into work tomorrow. All right, my loves, I love you all. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments. I am going to be posting some pictures in Instagram, so make sure you follow me there. I will see you guys on my next video. I have something else that I want to show you guys. So I'll be probably posting that video today. Yeah, today. Why not? 2 videos in one day. Why not? All right, I love you all, and I'll see you soon. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, and make sure that you follow me. I love you all. Bye.